Good day, ma'am. I am Janaris Borsillo, and Law Enforcement Operations and Planning with Crime Mapping. My topic is Analytical Mapping and Density Mapping. Crime analysis employ analytical mapping to pinpoint the precise coordinates of incidents in order to identify cluster of incidents and areas where crime and disorder are concentrated. Density mapping is the most used method in criminal analysis for assessing crime clusters and concentrations instead of limiting the analysis to looking at specified areas, lines, or points like the mapping techniques covered so far. Density mapping reveals how the incident cluster and concentrate across space. Density maps are produced by crime analysis using both specialized tools and common GIS application. Density mapping ginapakita niya diri kung asa ang mga daghang nahitabo nga mga krimen sa isa ka lugar. Example niya is isa ka lugar nga taas og krimen, taas og gubot. Sa kani nga butang diri makita sa mga otoridad ang mga hakbang nila para masulbad ang mga krimen. Density mapping isa ni sa mga techniques nga ilang gigamit used to visualize and analyze the concentration of incidents like crimes across the geographic area. It helps identify clusters or hotspots where the incidents are more frequent. In simple terms, density mapping shows where the things are happening more often, allowing for targeted interventions and resource allocation. How it works. Instead of just looking at specific points or areas, density mapping shows how incidents are spread out and concentrated across a larger area. This helps analysts understand the patterns and trends of crime in more nuanced way. Ang mga benefits ani is, number 1 is identify high crime areas, understand crime patterns and trends, allocate resources more effectively, develop targeted strategies to reduce crime. That's all, ma'am, and thank you.